Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss sets, class 10, roster form and set builder form. In the previous video, we have seen how to introduce the sets. In this video, we are going to see how to represent the sets. There are two types of representation of sets. One is roster form and second one is set builder form. Click this I button to learn introduction to sets. Let us see how to represent the sets. The representation of sets are two types. One is roster form and second one is set builder form. Roster form is nothing but tabular form or list form, and set builder form, if we can say rule form also. This is the important concept in this chapter. Definitely 1 or 2 marks question can be expected from this roster form or set builder form. So especially set builder form is most important. So let us see what is roster form. Roster form is nothing but all the elements of the sets are listed, the elements being separated by the commas and enclosed within brace or curly bracket. Simply we can say the listing the elements in the set, the listing in the elements in the brace or curly bracket are called roster form. So roster form is nothing but all the elements of the set listed. So what are all the elements that we are listing means that is the roster form. So if we can say list form or tabular form also. Let us see one example. The set of all even positive integers. The set of all even positive integers less than 20. So, how we can write in the roster form? What elements will occur? Will come. So, how we can write means? So, what is the question? The set of all even positive integers less than 20. So, here we are taking as a naming of the set and taking as A equal. So what are the even numbers already you know? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like that. But here condition also given. What is the condition? Less than 20. So up to below 20 only we need to take. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So here A equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So this is the set. So we written the set builder form to be written in the roster form. So what is the set builder form? The set of all positive even integers less than 20 is the set builder form. So we converted it into the roster form. Here we can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We can say elements of the set. So here we separated each and every element separated by the comma. So each and every element separated by the commas. So this is called roster form. One more example, the set of all vowels in the English alphabet. So what are the vowels in English alphabet? See here, B equal A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in English alphabet. So here A, comma, E, I, O, U. This all we can say elements of the set. So here we separated by each and every element separated by the comma also. So this is called roster form. So some conditions are here for writing the roster form. The conditions we need to see. What are the conditions? That one now we are seeing. Note The first note is the order of elements are immaterial or not important. What is the first condition? The order of the elements are immaterial or not important. For example, you can take A equal A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So, we can write like this also. So, A equal I, comma, A, comma, U, comma, E, comma, O also we can write. So, what is the first note? First condition, the order of the elements are immaterial or not the important. While writing the elements, we should not follow the order here. We should not follow the order. Next note, second note, note number 2. So what is the note number 2? In a set, element should not be repeated. In a set, the element should not be repeated. For example, the word school. This is the word. So we can, while writing the set, how we can write? So B I am taking as a naming of the set, I am taking as B, S, C, H. Here double O is there. So twice it is repeated O is. So once only we should write. Means S, C, H, O, L we are getting. All are separated by the commas also. One more word we can take, that is mathematics. So here naming as the set I am taking as C. M, A, T, H, E, M. It is repeated, means already written, no need to write. A, it is already written, no need to write. T, already written, no need to write. And I, C, S. So this is the note number 2. So what is the note number 2? In a set, the element should not be repeated. Now note number 3. So what is the note number 3? In a set, 3 dots are there in the last. That set is infinite set. So for example, so what is the third one? Third note. In a set, 3 dots are there in the last. The set we can say infinite set. For example, n equal 1, 2, 3, like this. A equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 3 dots. Means this all 3 dots means we can say this n means natural number set. So this is, we can say 3 dots are here, means it is the infinite set. Here A means set of even numbers I took here. So here lastly we got it here 3 dots, means it is also infinite set. This is about roster form. The roster form nothing but listing the elements. Each element is separated by the commas and enclosed with brace or curly bracket. Now let us see the most important set builder form or rule form. How to represent the set in set builder form. So for set builder form, we should follow some rules. What type of rules we should follow? So the rules we have to learn first of all. So what are the rules? Rule number 1. We should use the symbol X. We should use the symbol X for elements of the set. For elements of the set. We should use the symbol for X for elements of the set. Here, instead of X, we should take some more alphabets. Means like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. X already we took, Y, Z, like that we need to take. Next, rule number 2 is, after that, we should write column or vertical bar. This is the column, this is the vertical bar. So after X written afterwards, we should write column or vertical bar. Then next, rule number 3, we should find out common property. So then next, column or vertical bar afterwards, we should find out what is the common property. So if there is no common property for the set, we can't write the set builder form. For writing the set builder form, definitely we need the common property. So third condition is we can write the common property. Fourth one, it is condition. It will be occur sometimes only. Condition. What conditions are they are giving? The conditions we need to follow. Let us see some examples for set builder form. A equal, see here how to write the set builder form. A equal x such that common property, comma, condition. What is the condition? That condition we should write. So here A equal x such that common property we should write. Then next condition also sometimes it will occur. So one example, see one example. A equal x such that x is a prime. A equal x such that x is a prime, comma, x less than 20. So how to read this one? How we are reading? First of all, we are discussing here. This is the symbol for the elements. X is the symbol for the elements. X is a prime. X is a prime, we can say that is the common property. And here x less than 20. X less than 20 we can say that is condition. So enclosed by the brace. Here brace bracket. So naming of the set is A. Naming of the set is A. So how to read this one? A equal to x such that x is a prime less than 20. X is a prime less than 20. So this is the set builder form. We need to write the roster form. So A equal here we need to write the elements. So what type of elements we should write? X is a prime numbers we need to write. Up to how many we need to write? Condition we need to throw with the condition. So what is the condition? X less than 20 means, so below 20 prime numbers we should write. Means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. This is the roster form. Set builder form to roster form. This is the way to write the set builder form to roster form. In this same way, we should write roster form to set builder form. It is easy to write set builder form to roster form. While writing the roster form to set builder form, we should find out the common property. What is the common property is there for the set? What type of conditions we are writing? This is the important points for the set builder form. So what are the important points? Common property and condition. So these 2 points are most important for writing the set builder form. Let us discuss one example. A equal x such that x is a factor of 30. X is a factor of 30. So here we can write roster form we need to write. So it is the set builder form. Set builder form to we are converting as a roster form. So here what is the condition? X is a factor of 30. So what is the factors of 30? How we can find out? 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. This all are the factors of 30. Means 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30 are the factors of 30. So this is the set builder form. SBF means set builder form. Roster form. So roster form A equal. What elements will occur? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So here condition and property in this only. So x is a factor for 30. So in this condition is there, common property also there. What is the property? So factors of 30. 30 factors only we should write. Now one more example. B equal x is a prime factors of 30. This is the x such that x is a prime factors of 30. So already we written what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So in this we need to find out prime numbers we should find out. What are the prime number? 1 and itself only factors means that is the prime number. So this is the factors of 30 means 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number and 5 is the prime number. Remaining this 6, 10, 15, 30 are composite numbers. Here 1 is neither prime nor composite. So this is the set builder form. We are writing as roster form. So 2, 3, 5. So what is question? B equals x such that x is a prime factor of 30. So here B equal 2, 3, 5 only we can get. Now one more important thing. Sometimes we are writing less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So how we have to use these symbols? What are some symbols? Less than or equal, greater than or equal to. Suppose x less than 5 and x less than or equal to 5, x greater than 5, x greater than or equal to 5. Here x I am taking as a natural number I am taking. So x natural numbers means already you know 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So here x less than 5. What is the meaning of x less than 5? X value below 5 means here natural numbers only we are taking, means what type of numbers will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here x less than 5 means we should not consider the value of 5. Here we can consider 5 also, less than or equal. Or equal to means we should consider that value, means when we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And x greater than 5. X value is more than 5. More than 5 means what type of elements will come? 6, 7, 8, so on. So more than 5 means here nothing condition, means it is the infinite set we are getting. Here x greater than or equal to 5. X greater than or equal to 5 means x value we should consider 5 or we should not consider 5 here. Here we should consider 5 also. Means 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. So it is also infinite set only. One more example, this one only. X I am taking as whole number. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. 0 to it will start. Means x less than 5. X less than 5 means what type of elements will come? 0 to we can take. Means we can get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should not take here 5. Here we should take 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here x greater than 5. X value more than 5. More than 5 means we can take same as usually we are getting. 7, 6, 7, 8, so on. X greater than or equal to 5. X greater than or equal to 5 means we can consider that value also. Means 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. So this is the how to use less than or equal, greater than or equal. Whenever equal to means less than or equal to or greater than or equal. These two symbols, we should consider that particular value. Now we will discuss the between the values. We are discussing now between the values. How to take between the values? When to take the between the values? Listen one example. 5 less than x less than 10. 5 less than x less than 10. What is the meaning of 5 less than x less than 10? Here you can divide up to here one part, here to here one part. Means 5 less than x. It means x less than 5 and x less than 5, and here x greater than 5 and here x less than 10. So what are the elements will come? That elements we should write. X greater than 5 means 6, 7, we should not take 5 here. 8, 9. Here x less than 10, below 10 only we should take. Means we don't consider the 10 also here. Now one more example. 5 less than or equal, x less than 10. So here we should consider less than or equal. Means 5 values between 5 and 10 between. Here we should consider 5, but we should not consider 10. Means what type of elements will come? 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. One more example, that is 5 less than x less than or equal to 10. So here in this case we should not consider 5, but we should consider 5. Means here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also we can get here. Less than or equal. Less than or equal to means we should consider that particular value. One more, that is 5 less than or equal, x less than or equal to 10. Means we should consider that both particular values. So what are the particular values? Here 5 and here 10. Means we should consider 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we consider that values. Let us discuss some more examples. A equals x such that, here it is the very important one. While writing the roster form you are confusing. Listen carefully. So A equals x such that minus 5 less than or equal x less than 2, comma, x belongs to z. X belongs to z. Here x we are taking as the elements of the set. This is the condition. This is the common property. This is the condition. So this is the set builder form. We are writing as a roster form. So what is the condition here? First we should consider the condition only. First we will go with the condition. X belongs to z. Z means integers. Integers means 0 and positive and negative values. So here minus 5 less than or equal x less than 2 means here minus 5 we should consider, or we no need to consider here. We should consider minus 5 to 2 we can take. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Up to 1 only here. Don't consider 2. Why? Because here not equal to, it is not the not equal to. Okay. Now x belongs to z means we are getting like this. Here one more set I am taking. B equal x says that minus 5 less than or equal x less than 2, comma, x belongs to n. So what elements will occur? Same elements only will occur. Here only you are confusing. So here what is the condition here given? The condition we throw with the condition only. So x belongs to n. X belongs to n means only natural numbers only we should take. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, so on. So here only this common property to minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2 means we are getting minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 we are getting. But here in this, what are the natural numbers? That one only we should take. Only we can get only 1. So here from condition to only we can take, that is we can get 1. One more example, C equal x such that minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2, comma x belongs to w. W means you know that is all numbers. So all numbers starts from 0. So here what type of elements will come? Yes, C equal 0 comma 1 only it will come. This is the way to write the between the values. Less than or equal, we should consider less than or greater than or equal. Both. Or equal to means we should consider that particular value. Less than or greater than, these two symbols means we should not consider that particular value. We have seen how to express roster form and set builder form. In the next video, we will see types of sets. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.